Hi there, I'm called Kieskumpel. Welcome to the One Fair. How do you see AI being used in the construction industry?
This is the question we had our robot ask leaders in construction in the infrastructure sector. How do they envision modern technologies help their daily work at the office or on site for building roads, highways and bridges? Not only would we get valuable insight into their needs, they would also have long-lasting conversations with our interviewer, feeding off of each other's ideas. But the interviewees would reflect on the eeriness and strangeness of talking to a robot. Some have challenged the model's technical knowledge, bringing up their decades-long work experience in construction to evaluate whether or not suggestions and solutions would be technically sound. Let's have a quick preview to a demo session with the robot, and later dive a little deeper into the robot and how it's set up.
Hello, what's your name?
Hi there, I'm called Kieskumpel. Welcome to the One Fair. How do you see AI being used in the construction industry?
A lot in computer vision. What can you tell me about computer vision in construction?
Computer vision can really enhance construction by improving safety and efficiency. It can help with site monitoring, detecting hazards, and even tracking progress. What specific applications in computer vision are you most interested in?
Tracking changes over time in drone data.
Drones can capture detailed images, and computer vision can analyze those to track progress and changes in real time. How do you envision this impacting project management?
You automatically get changes of a project. It's way more efficient to see where changes have occurred.
Absolutely. Automating change tracking can save a lot of time and reduce errors. It also allows for better decision making.
What is actually interesting here is that it does not take a sophisticated humanoid robot from the future to create some sort of connection, to feel perceived, to feel watched. Which makes that experience abnormal, but at the same time very intriguing, and we found our interviewees very drawn and hooked to talking to it. Let me quickly run down the setup. As you probably have seen, the head is heavily inspired by GLaDOS from Portal. The head is designed to move in 3 different axes to allow enough motion for it to feel real. All parts are 3D printed. The servos and servo controllers are from Dynamixel, and the software written in Python and the Dynamixel SDK. Face tracking is done with basic but very solid face detection from OpenCV. For voice interaction, we built 2 ways. One set up entirely with Python and the OpenAI APIs for voice recognition, GPT inference, and text-to-speech. This allows us to incorporate mimics and head movements into the interaction. For simplicity and use for non-techie colleagues, we also opted for using the ChatGPT app on a smartphone, while the robot only interacts with webcam and face detection.
Thanks for watching. I hope the video about me interviewing people was interesting for you. If you'd like to discuss or have questions, please leave a comment. If you would, leave a like or even consider subscribing. I wish you a wonderful day ahead. See you soon.